Hello everybody. This video is about a simple overview of the Fiancée Visa process.
Yeah, the Fiancée Visa process is when a U.S. citizen is engaged to a foreign national and they file an application to allow that foreign national to come to the United States to be married within 90 days. The result is that the couple gets married and the foreign national spouse gets to live in the United States permanently.
Don't go away. Hello, this is Sam Shihab,
I'm Brian Burke.
and we are from the law firm of Sam Shihab and Associates, and we're going to go over the Fiancée Visa process. The first requirement is that the applicant has to be a U.S. citizen. A permanent resident cannot apply for a Fiancée Visa. So a lot of people get confused on this topic. If you are a permanent resident, this Fiancée Visa is not for you. If you are a U.S. citizen living in the United States, this Fiancée Visa is for you.
So the next requirement is there must be a fiancé relationship. So you guys have to be engaged to be married. It can be to somebody of the same sex or the opposite sex, but you guys have to be engaged. You don't require anything formal, no big grand video recorded, all moment. You guys just have to agree that you guys want to get married.
The fiancé has to be living abroad. If the fiancé is living in the U.S., there's a different process. But if the fiancé is living abroad and wants to come to the U.S., then the Fiancée Visa is the appropriate vehicle.
Next on the list is the couple actually has to intend to get married within 90 days of the foreign fiancé's arrival in the United States. That is one of the requirements. You have to get married within 90 days.
You must be legally capable of getting married, meaning that you have to be single and your foreign fiancé have to be single. Of course, a divorce, widowed, also appropriate, but clearly you cannot be married, or the foreign fiancé cannot be married.
There's also a requirement that the couple must have physically met in person within the last 2 years. There are some flexibilities on that requirement. That's a topic for another video, which will be a real interesting one.
There's a basic financial ability requirement, and that financial ability is a sliding scale system depending on where you live and how many people in your household. The threshold is not very high, but there is a requirement that the U.S. citizen must meet to be able to bring a foreign fiancé to the U.S.
It's also worth noting the documentation requirements. You're going to have to give the government some documentation. For the foreign national, the fiancé coming to the United States, the requirements are a little bit more burdensome. Provide a birth certificate, provide some personal records. But for the U.S. citizen, it's really quite basic. Give them a passport, naturalization certificate, or birth certificate that shows you're a U.S. citizen. You've met your basic requirement there.
There's a lot of videos that we have that details a lot of these steps in a lot more expansive way. And remember, hiring a competent attorney that can help you through this process is a smart thing to do. From the law firm of Sam Shihab and Associates, you guys have a great day.